I've had a home recording studio for many years, and while it's great for mixing music, I'm using AI music more and more, and don't really have the setup to do interviews or the webinars I want to do, and definitely not live streaming on X. So I set up a corner in my house, I cleared it out, I worked on some images to get an idea of what it could look like in Midjourney, and I set my TV up over in the corner as a backdrop screen where I can stream X, gaming, home, spaceonomics. Yeehaw! I started with this. I gave Midjourney that image and this image. I ideated, I got to this, and then this. Moving closer to the vision, wanted to see what it might look like. Closer, not quite. Closer, almost there. Closer. I'm liking this vibe. I think I'm okay with my little corner in the universe. Set up, maxed out for X.